This is an 88 Cabriolet, Porsche Cabriolet. However, this process is very similar for the 964 and I believe the 993. If your top will not go up and there is access with a screwdriver, it's a flathead screwdriver that goes in about 4 inches into the end of the motor. And at this end, I've got the top up part way. You're going to have to turn this in the AUF position, like this, counterclockwise. And as you do that, you'll see that slowly moving, slowly, very slowly. And I keep turning and turning and turning and turning, and it keeps slowly moving over until eventually you can get it completely over and the top will come up.